In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a timer on the iPhone camera. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like to this video. Let's get started. First, open the camera app from the home screen. Once you have the camera app open, you'll see an arrow button at the top. Tap on that to bring up some additional options. You'll notice a timer icon at the lower right corner. Tap on that timer icon. This will show you the timer options. You can choose from two options, 3 seconds or 10 seconds. Let's say you want a 3-second timer. Tap on 3 seconds. After setting the timer, point your camera at your subject and tap the shutter button. The timer will count down from 3, and then it'll take the photo. While the timer is counting down, the flashlight will flash. As it gets closer to taking the photo, the flashes will get quicker, so you know you only have a couple of seconds left before the shot. And that's it. That's how you set a timer on your iPhone camera. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.